Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to participate in the Chainbase network testnet. The first thing to do is to visit the Chainbase app using the link in the description. Once you open the link, it will look like this. And the next thing to do is to connect your wallet. So click connect wallet and select the wallet of the choice. Accept the approval request in your wallet. And now you will need to add the testnet to your wallet. So click on Chainbase network testnet and it will bring up a pop-up in your wallet asking you to add the new network. So accept the approval request in your wallet and the network will be added to your wallet. The next thing is to click on sign, accept the signature request in your wallet, then click go. Once you do that, you will see this screen. Next thing, click on start. If this is your first time logging in, you will see a screen asking you to scan your wallet. So once it scans your wallet, it will check out the activities you've carried out on your wallet and assign you some initial Zircons. Zircons are the points you earn on the testnet for completing tasks. Once you're logged into your testnet dashboard, you can complete tasks to earn Zircons. So if you scroll, you will see some tasks and you can see I've completed some tasks. So you will see the option to link your Twitter account. All you need to do is to click on go, accept the connection request and link your Twitter account to earn some Zircons. The next one is this task here. If you click go, it will take you to your settings. So all you have to do here is under your profile section, click on the avatar icon and select an image to use as an avatar. Click on this pencil icon beside the username and edit the username. Once you're happy with that, click confirm to set a new username. Once you're done, you will see a verify button just like this because I haven't completed this task. Click on it beside the task to verify the personal task. So there are still some other tasks available like linking your Discord. So to link your Discord, click go and it will take you to your settings. In your social account settings, you will see the option to link your Discord. So click link, accept the approval request from your Discord account. So give it authorization by clicking authorize and now you've connected your Discord account. Once you've done that, click verify and now I've earned some Zircons. You can also refer your friends, so click go and you will see your referral link. You can use that link to invite other users to the testnet, so you can refer up to 50 users on this testnet. For this join Chainbase Discord, you can click on go and it will invite you to the Discord server. So join the Discord server and verify your account. So once you verified your account, click verify and you will earn your Zircons for completing that task. There is also another task to follow the Chainbase Twitter account. So click go and it will take you to the Chainbase Twitter account. So once it takes you to the Chainbase Twitter, follow the account, come back here and click on the verify button and you will earn your Zircons. There's also another task to chat with your AI bot called Thea. So click go and it will take you to the bot. The next thing to do is to connect your wallet. So click connect wallet, select your wallet, accept the approval request, click sign, accept the signature request. And now you can start sending messages to this bot. Wait for a few seconds for the system to verify whether you're a real person or a robot. Send some messages to the bot. So after completing your first charge, you can mint an NFT. So click get started to mint this NFT. Once you see this pop up, click claim. This claim gives you some ETH to mint this NFT. So click mint now, accept the signature request in your wallet, and now you've minted the NFT. So go back to your dashboard and click verify to verify that you've chatted with the bot. So now I've earned my Zircons. There's also another task to make the AI smarter. So click go and it will take you to the chatbot page. To make the Thea chatbot smarter, first message the chatbot. You can ask it a question or choose from any of these questions here. Wait for it to verify whether you're a real person. Once the chatbot responds to your message, you will see the option to make Thea smarter. So this is a review section to get your feedback. So here it asks me what aspect of Thea do you find most intriguing, and I'll select potential use cases. You can select anything, it's just for feedback. You may have more than one question here, but in this case, I have only one question and you can see your list of questions here by looking at this radio button. So my radio button is ticked, meaning that I have completed the survey, and that's it for the make the Thea chatbot smarter task. Once you're done, go back to this dashboard and click verify, and now I've gotten my Zircons. The Thea tasks, which are the chat with Thea and the make Thea smarter, are daily tasks. So log into your dashboard daily to complete these tasks. For these other tasks, verify Trusted Media Score, click go. Unfortunately, I had already completed the tasks, but there are just a few simple tasks. All you have to do is to click on the respective buttons and it will take you to the prepared pages, and it takes less than 3 minutes to complete those tasks. So once you're done, you can mint your media score for Omnichain, and this costs about 0.0002 linear N. So click switch linear, accept the request in your wallet to switch your network, and once your network is connected to linear, click submit. 0.0002 ETH is about $0.51 at the point of making this video. Accept the request in your wallet. So once you've minted this NFT, come back here and click verify, and you claim your Zircons. So right now, these are the tasks available. There will be more tasks updated in the future. So complete these tasks, invite your friends to earn more Zircon, and stay active in the community Discord to get all the latest updates. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more chain-based testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you haven't joined the Center Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen and get started today. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and join some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So complete your chain-based testnet tasks, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.